In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add staff on Square Appointments. If you're a business owner or manager using Square Appointments, you'll likely need to add team members at some point to help schedule appointments, manage bookings, and streamline your operations. So let's walk through the process together and make it as simple as possible. To get started, open your favorite web browser and navigate over to the Square Appointments website. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any security concerns. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in on the main page. Go ahead and click on Sign In and log into your account using your username and password. If you haven't done so already, it might be handy to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central command center from where you manage all aspects of your business through Square Appointments. On the left side of your screen, there should be a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Staff and click on it. This will direct you to the section where you can manage your current staff and add new team members. Within the Staff section, find and click on the Team tab. This is where you'll have the ability to oversee detailed information about each team member. Next, look for the Team Members option under the Team heading and click on it. This area displays a list of all your current staff tied to your Square Appointments, as well as the option to add new ones. To add a new team member, look for the option that says Add Team Member. Clicking on this will open a new form where you need to enter the essential details of the person you are adding. Be prepared with details such as their full name, an email address, and a phone number. It's important to enter this information accurately because this will be how the team member gets notifications and accesses their employee account. Once you've filled in the personal details, you'll need to assign their role and permissions. This step is crucial as it dictates what the team member can view and manage within Square Appointments. Ensure that you assign roles that reflect their responsibilities within your business framework. Take a moment to review all the submitted information on the screen carefully. Double-checking before you submit will help avoid any discrepancies later on. Once you're confident everything is correct, go ahead and submit the details. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the staff member has been successfully added to your Square Appointments. Just like that, you have effectively expanded your team and enhanced your scheduling capacity. Congratulations on taking these steps to grow and streamline your business operations. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to check other videos for more tips on using Square Appointments efficiently.